Good morning, children. Let us start with our English class. This worksheet was attached last time. You have to solve this worksheet. In this, you have to convert the words given in the bracket in the plural form. So, let us start. We'll discuss this worksheet now. First sentence: the man ate lunch at the park. Already told that few words changes completely in their plural form. So, this man will become men. Second, your cats always choose mouse. Same way, this word also changes completely. Mouse will become mice. Number 3, those roof are all brown. Children, according to the rule discussed, it was that if the word ends up with F or FE, we cut FE and we add VES. But if there is a vowel before F or FE, then we add only S. So this roof will become roofs. Number 4, the child were full after they finished their breakfast. So here also the word changes completely. Child will become children. Number 5, keep the kitchen clean so the fly stay away. This is another rule that if the word ends up with Y, we cut Y and add IES, but only if there is a consonant before Y. So L is a consonant, we'll cut Y and we'll add IES, flies. Number 6, the boy went to the park to play football. This boy also ends with Y, but will not cut Y here because there's a vowel before Y. So if there's a vowel before Y, we don't cut Y, we add only S. So boy will become boys. Tomato are rich source of vitamin C. Another rule, if the word ends up with O, we add ES. So tomato will become tomatoes in the plural form. But there are always exceptions, children. Few words do not change according to the rules. So next is the exceptional one. The Eskimo live in igloos. Although this also ends up with O, but will not add ES over here. Will simply add S. Eskimos live in igloos. Only S. Number 9. Did the ox eat all the hay? So this word also changes completely. Ox will become oxen. EN. Last one, the dog's foot were dirty from muddy puddles. Puddles you all know? Yes, then when there is a rainfall, there are few puddles on the ground filled with water. So muddy puddles means those puddles, those holes, deep holes filled with mud. So this foot will become feet. Foot also changes completely in the plural form. Next part, write the singular and the plural noun for the given pictures. These are given. Picture is strawberry. In the singular form, it will be only strawberry. But in plural form, we'll cut Y and we'll add IES. Strawberries. Because R is a consonant before Y, so we'll cut Y. Next is leaf. Again, we'll cut F and we'll add VES, leaves. Mango, it ends up with O, so we'll make the plural by adding ES, it will become mangoes. Children, another topic for the day is common and proper nouns. You must have already done it in class 1 also, but let's take the recap of this. Common nouns are common nouns means, like if I say boy, it can be any boy. Okay, but if I call that boy by name, then that boy becomes special. So that becomes proper noun. For example, if I say school, it can be any school. So that is a common noun. But if I say St. Xavier's, it will become special and it will be a proper noun. So common means anything common and proper noun means something special. Clear? And another rule for it is common noun is always written in small letters and proper noun is always written in capitals. So determine whether each noun is a common or a proper noun. If the noun is common, write common noun on the line. If the noun is proper, rewrite the noun on the line using correct capitalization. Capitalization means you have to start with the capital letter. Example is city. City, it can be any city, so it is a common noun. But if we write Mumbai, it becomes special. It becomes proper noun and it will be written in capitals. Let's start. First one is March. So there is only one month named as March. It is not common. There is only one March, month of March. Okay. So it is a proper noun. Write it in capital, March. Number 2 is month. Month can be any month. So write common noun over there. Next is holiday. Holiday, it can be any holiday. So common noun. Number 4, Christmas. Christmas is a special festival. It is not any festival, it is a special festival. So we'll write with capital C, Christmas. Next is waterfall. It can be any waterfall, so common noun. Number 6, Kempty Falls. Kempty Falls is the special name of that waterfall. Okay, so we'll write it. It becomes proper noun, so we'll write it with capital K. And even for falls, you will write capital F. Children, another thing, sometimes you write your name, like for example, Navjot Singh. Okay, it's not that only N will become capital for proper noun or for writing your name. S for Singh will also be capital. So Navjot Singh. Next is Burger King. You all must have heard this name. So Burger King, it is a renowned name of that burgers showroom or something chain. So it starts with B capital and K capital, Burger King. Next is restaurant. It can be any restaurant, like Burger King is a special restaurant. So we have written it in capitals, but restaurant word, it can be any restaurant, so common noun. Next is dog. Any dog, it can be, okay, so common noun. Snoopy, if we call that dog by name, special name, it becomes proper noun, so we'll write it in capital, Snoopy, S capital. Second part is read each sentence, underline the proper noun or nouns once and the common noun or nouns twice. For example, Tina went to the Grand Canyon for vacation. Tina went to the Grand Canyon for vacation. We will underline the proper and common nouns. Okay. So Tina is a proper noun. Twice means you have to underline it twice. And next is Grand Canyon means name of that place, and vacation is a common noun. So let's start. The man bought a Sony television for Christmas. So man, first you have to find out the nouns in that. After that we'll categorize them into common and proper. So man is a common noun, underline man. Sony is a name of a brand, so underline Sony, that's a proper noun. Television is a common noun, underline that. And then Christmas is a special proper noun, special festival. So you have to underline 4 words here. 2 are proper nouns and 2 are common nouns. Man and television are common nouns. You can write C over there if you want. You can also write C for common and P for proper if you want. Next is we went to Disneyland for vacation. Disneyland is a very special place, so it becomes proper noun, and vacation is a common noun. Next comes the puppy named Skip ran to us in the morning. Puppy means name of it is a animal, so it is a noun, but it is a common noun. It can be any puppy. Skip is the name of that puppy, so it becomes proper noun. Morning means common noun. It can be any morning. It's not Monday morning or any morning. It can be any morning. Next comes Johnny enjoys playing football with us. Johnny is the name of a person or a boy, so it becomes proper noun. Football, it is a common noun. Susie loves riding her bike on the weekend. So it's a proper noun, it's a name. Bike is a common noun, and weekend again a common noun. So I hope you have understood the difference between common and proper noun, children. Practice more sentences. Thank you so much.